that's all the fab stuff. It's all level now. Everything's tacked into place, everything's straight. The monoshock is at a bit of a dodgy angle, so I'm gonna angle the tube there so we can get it down a little bit lower and then make the brackets to suit. It is height adjustable, the coilover, but I'm going to refurb it all. It's been battered about quite a lot. See if it's salvageable, and then yeah, I'm going to see if I can make it height adjustable on the bracket as well, because I don't know how large it's going to be, like how easy it's going to be for turning. Not that it's going to be anything special or that, just I'm not sure. So if I've got the capability, then that's better. The next thing is the rubber bushes that were in here. I can't really bother to make them really, so I'm just gonna machine out some like normal ones, maybe put some grease nipples in or something, just so we can get in there, put some grease nipples on the top and that. But yeah, that's it. That's basically the whole of the geometry for the front end, and that should, once that's all centered, I think I checked that out. I need to double check it when I put it in. The actual cross bar for the swing arm, the cross axle bolt, whatever, is just tacked in there. It's strong, but I can just hammer it out and then move it if needs be. But I think it's all kind of straight. Once you work off one straight base, then that's it. So yeah, machining next. So that's it. Got these grease nipples. They're a fine pitch 1.8. I've actually only got one, so I'm going to buy more. Just going to drill down into the centre. So the way you work out what size drill bit you need for if you're tapping a hole is, if it's like an M8, you then subtract the pitch number from it. So it's a 1mm pitch, quite easy. 7mm drill bit is what's needed to go in there. So I'm just going to pilot that and then drill it out. It doesn't need to be dead accurate or anything, but so it doesn't look too stupid, would be nice. So yeah, go and pilot that and then drill it out with a 7mm. This is a cheap blind tap. It's just one of those cheap sets. They tend to break, so what I do is, if they break or I need a special one, I'll buy one, but I don't really bother in this. If not, you just end up spending loads of money on stuff you never really use. The reason I'm wangling it is because the drill bit was slightly undersized. There we go. And because it's not actually holding any real tension or anything, it's just holding the nipple in. matter.